When most people think of Malaysia, they picture tropical beaches, delicious food, and the towering Petronas Twin Towers. But behind the popular tourist attractions lies a deeper story. A country filled with hidden traditions, unusual history, and surprising facts that many travelers never hear about. From ancient rainforests older than the Amazon to a king who is elected every 5 years, Malaysia is far more fascinating than most people realize. Here are 10 things many people don't know about Malaysia. 1. Malaysia has one of the oldest rainforests on Earth. Malaysia is home to one of the oldest rainforests on the planet. The ancient forest of Taman Negara is estimated to be over 130 million years old. That means it existed long before the Amazon rainforest formed. Walking through these jungles feels like stepping into a prehistoric world. Gigantic trees tower above the forest floor, while rare animals move silently through the canopy. Some scientists believe these forests have survived multiple global climate changes over millions of years. 2. Malaysia has a rotating king. Most countries either have a permanent monarchy or an elected president, but Malaysia has something unique. The country practices a rotating monarchy system. Every 5 years, the rulers of 9 royal states choose one among them to become the national king, known as the young di-Pertuan Agong. This system is extremely rare in the modern world. It blends traditional royal heritage with a modern constitutional structure. 3. Kuala Lumpur was once a muddy mining camp. Today, Kuala Lumpur is a futuristic city filled with skyscrapers and luxury malls, but its beginnings were far less glamorous. The city started in the 1800s as a small tin mining settlement. Its name literally means muddy confluence because it was built where 2 muddy rivers met. Over time, that tiny settlement grew into one of Southeast Asia's most modern capitals. 4. Malaysia has a tribe that lives in the rainforest. Deep inside Malaysia's forests live indigenous communities known as the Orang Asli. Some groups still maintain traditional lifestyles connected to the forest. For generations, they have relied on hunting, gathering, and deep knowledge of medicinal plants. Their understanding of the jungle ecosystem is something modern science is still learning from today. 5. One cave in Malaysia could fit a skyscraper. Malaysia is home to some of the largest caves in the world. Inside Sarawak Chamber, located in Gunung Mulu National Park, the underground space is so enormous that it could fit several jumbo jets inside it. It's one of the largest known cave chambers anywhere on Earth. Standing inside it can make a person feel incredibly small. 6. Malaysia is one of the world's most multicultural countries. Malaysia is a remarkable blend of cultures. Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous traditions coexist side by side. In one street, you might see a mosque, a Hindu temple, and a Chinese shrine. This cultural diversity shapes everything from the language to the food. Festivals like Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Chinese New Year, and Deepavali are all celebrated nationally. 7. The world's largest flower grows here. Malaysia is home to one of the strangest plants in nature. The Rafflesia produces the largest flower on Earth. Some can grow nearly 1 meter wide. But there's a catch. When it blooms, it releases a powerful smell similar to rotting meat. Because of this, the plant is often called the corpse flower. 8. Malaysia has a hidden underwater world. The waters around Sipadan Island are considered some of the best diving locations on the planet. Here, divers can swim among sea turtles, reef sharks, and huge schools of fish. The marine biodiversity is so rich that scientists consider the region part of the Coral Triangle, one of the most biologically diverse marine areas in the world. 9. English is widely spoken. Unlike many countries in the region, English is widely spoken in Malaysia. This is partly due to the country's colonial history under the British Empire. Today, many Malaysians comfortably switch between multiple languages in everyday conversation. 10. Malaysia is split into 2 separate regions. One thing that surprises many travelers is that Malaysia is actually divided into 2 separate regions. One part lies on the Malay Peninsula. The other lies across the sea on the island of Borneo. Despite being separated by the South China Sea, both regions form the modern nation of Malaysia. Malaysia is far more than a tropical destination. It's a country of ancient forests, mysterious caves, diverse cultures, and incredible natural wonders. And the deeper you explore Malaysia, the more surprising stories you discover. Because sometimes the most fascinating things about a place are the ones most people never hear about. If you found this helpful, drop a like. It genuinely means a lot and helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more Asia travel content. And tell me in the comments, have you been to Malaysia? What was your most exciting Malaysia moment? I genuinely want to know. Until next time, travel safe, eat well, and I'll see you in the next one.